Ethereum value equivalent to $3D508 a coin. The present exchange cost range $3D454.26, $3D1642.66. The earlier day close $3D1641.61. The change was 133.41, 366%. Converse rate ICE to ETH. Dollar to Ethereum gauge for June 2024. In the first place, cost at 74 coins. Exorbitant costs on 296, while lows on 257. The found the middle value of costs on 276. The US to ETH gauge toward the month's ends on 275, change for June to 4%. West to ETH expectation for July 2024. To start with, cost at 275 coins. Exorbitant costs on 275, while lows on 230. The found the middle value of cost 22 to 57. The US to ETH estimate toward the month's ends into at 46, change for July 10 5%. Dollar to Ethereum estimate for August 2024. Initially cost at 46 coins. Excessive costs 246, while lows on 203. The arrived at the midpoint of costs on 228. The US to ETH figure toward the month's ends on 218, change for August 11 4%. US to ETH expectation for September 2024. Initially cost at 218 coins. Excessive costs on 218, while lows on 287. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 206. The US to ETH figure toward the month's ends 800's change for September 8 3%. Dollar to Ethereum gauge for October 2024. In the first place, cost at 200 coins. Exorbitant cost 12, while lows on 184. The found the middle value of costs on 198. The ICE to ETH gauge toward the month's ends on N97, change for October 5%. ICE to ETH expectation for November 2024. Before all else, cost at 197 coins. Excessive cost 22.6, while lows 279. The arrived at the midpoint of costs on N94. The US to ETH conjecture toward the month's ends on 192, change for November 5%. Dollar to Ethereum conjecture for December 2024. Before all else, cost at 192 coins. Excessive costs on 204, while lows on begin at 77. The arrived at the midpoint of costs on 191. The US to ETH estimate toward the month's ends on 190, change for December 10%. US to ETH expectation for January 2025. First and foremost, cost at 190 coins. Exorbitant costs are 198, while lows to 172. The found the middle value of costs 186. The US to ETH estimate toward the month's ends 184, change for January 2%. Dollar to Ethereum estimate for February 2025. At the outset, cost at 184 coins. Excessive costs 198, while lows 172. The arrived at the midpoint of costs 185. The US to ETH conjecture toward the month's ends 184, change for February 0%. US to ETH expectation for Walk 2025. First and foremost, cost at 184 coins. Exorbitant costs 192, while lows 167. The found the middle value of costs 181. The US to ETH estimate toward the month's ends 1979, change for spring 7%. Dollar to Ethereum estimate for April 2025. First and foremost, cost at 179 coins. Exorbitant costs 179, while lows to 147. The found the middle value of costs on 166. The US to ETH gauge toward the month's ends on 157, change for April 3%. US to ETH expectation for May 2025. In the first place, cost at 157 coins. Exorbitant cost 167, while lows are again 45. The found the middle value of cost 156. The US to ETH gauge toward the month's ends on 156, change for May's 6%. Dollar to Ethereum gauge for June 2025. In the first place, cost at 156 coins. Exorbitant costs on 156, while lows are within 25. The found the middle value of costs on 143. The US to ETH conjecture toward the month's ends on 134, change for June 1%. US to ETH expectation for July 2025. Before all else, cost at 134 coins. Excessive costs are 142, while lows are 123. The arrived at the midpoint of costs are 133. The US to ETH conjecture toward the month's ends or 132, change for July 15%. Dollar to Ethereum conjecture for August 2025. As to ETH expectation for September 2025. First and foremost, cost at 157 coins. Exorbitant cost 157, while lows 28.26. They found the middle value of cost 144. The US to ETH conjecture toward the month's end 135, change for September 14%. Dollar to Ethereum conjecture for October 2025. At the outset, cost at 135 coins. Excessive cost 70, while lows are 135. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 150. The US to ETH conjecture toward the month's end 158, change for October 17%. US to ETH expectation for November 2025. To start with, cost at 158 coins. Exorbitant costs 184, while lows 158. They found the middle value of costs 168. The US to ETH gauge toward the month's end 171, change for November 82%. Dollar to Ethereum gauge for December 2025. Initially cost at 171 coins. Exorbitant costs 171, while lows are 138. They found the middle value of costs 157. The US to ETH estimate toward the month's end 147, change for December 14%. US to ETH expectation for January 2026. First and foremost, cost at 147 coins. Exorbitant costs 188, while lows are 147. They found the middle value of costs 164. The US to ETH estimate toward the month's end 175, change for January 19%. Dollar to Ethereum gauge for February 2026. In the first place, cost at 175 coins. Exorbitant costs 224, while lows to 175. They found the middle value of costs 196. The US to ETH gauge toward the month's end 209, change for February 19.4%. US to ETH expectation for Walk 2026. In the first place, cost at 209 coins. Exorbitant cost 267, while lows on 209. They found the middle value of cost 233. The US to ETH estimate toward the month's end 248, change for spring 18.7%. Dollar to Ethereum estimate for April 2026. To start with, cost at 248 coins. Exorbitant cost 248, while lows on 208. They found the middle value of cost 232. The US to ETH estimate toward the month's end 223, change for April 10.1%. US to ETH expectation for May 2026. Before all else, cost at 223 coins. Excessive cost 223, while lows are 190. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 210. The US to ETH conjecture toward the month's